Hello, little stars! Welcome to Puffy Cat Rhymes, the most magical place to sing.
Bright and fair, Puffy twirled without a care. Bunnies hopped and flowers swayed as Puffy danced the rose she made. Tomatoes laughed, the bees said hi. Carrots blinked beneath the sky. She sang, let's grow, let's stretch and play. Sunshine makes us bloom today. Leaves went clap and worms went spin as Puffy's rhythm rolled right in. Her paws went tap, her heart so wide. Nature danced right by her side. When clouds turned pink, she twirled once more. Her garden sang a joyful roar. Magic grows when hearts combine, the earth and I in perfect rhyme. Garden bright and fair, Puffy twirled without a care. Bunnies hopped and flowers swayed as Puffy danced the rose she made. Hey.
Goodbye to Puffy Cat.